In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and utilize document properties to enhance organization and searchability in your files. Let's dive right in. To begin, you will need to open the properties of your document. Start by navigating to the File menu at the top of your screen. Once there, you will notice an option labeled Properties. Click on that, and it will open a new window providing a comprehensive overview of different aspects of your document. When this window opens, you'll see a variety of tabs, each housing a different set of information. The first tab is called General. It gives you a snapshot of your document's basic details, such as the file size, location where it's saved on your device, the date it was created or last modified, and the number of pages your document contains. This is very handy when you're managing multiple documents and need a quick overview of their physical attributes. Moving forward, you'll find another tab labeled Description. This section allows you to add critical metadata that can greatly aid in the organization and retrieval of your documents. In the Description tab, you can input a title for your document. Think of this as a way to categorize the document's main theme or topic. Alongside the title, there's a space for a subject, which can be used to further define the document's content or purpose. Then you have keywords, which are crucial identifiers that make it easier to search for the document later when you're looking for something specific. Lastly, there's a space for comments where you can jot down any additional notes that could be useful for future reference. This structured information enhances not only how you store the document, but also significantly improves how you can retrieve it later, especially when dealing with large quantities of files. In the same window, you will also notice an option for custom properties. This allows you to add even more personalized information, such as an additional author, the project name, or any other data that might be relevant to your document management needs. And then there's the Statistics tab, providing a detailed rundown of your document's word count, character count, number of tables, and other such metrics, essential for tasks where precise documentation metrics are required. Once you have filled in all the relevant information in the Description tab, the next step is to save your changes. Click OK to confirm and then proceed to save your document in the usual way by going back to the File menu and selecting Save. By ensuring that your document properties are populated with useful information, you enhance not just the organizational aspect, but also make future searches more efficient and meaningful. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!